Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to bake sugar-free and no milk added oatmeal biscuit. Hope you like it. This oatmeal biscuit is filled with nuts and raisins, and it tastes rich and delicious. Ingredients: banana, oatmeal, mixed nuts with raisin. Baking tray cover with baking paper. Mash banana thoroughly. Add oatmeal and mix evenly. This is the result we want. Roll into a ball. Flatten each balls. Let's garnish with mixed nuts and raisin on top. Biscuit is ready to be baked. Bake for approximately 15 minutes. I found that the temperature was too high and the cookies couldn't bear it, so I lowered the temperature and time and continued to bake. So I didn't follow the original temperature of the recipe. Everyone should remember to adjust according to your own oven temperature. Oatmeal mixed nuts biscuits is out from oven. Looks good with great fragrance. This oatmeal cookie has the aroma of nuts and oats and the sweet taste of banana. It's delicious! By the way, if you are looking for breakfast recipes, welcome to check out my breakfast playlist where there are 108 breakfast recipes available to date. The nutrient composition of oats is well balanced. They are a good source of carbs and fiber, including the fiber beta-glucan. Oats are also a good source of high-quality protein, with a good balance of essential amino acids. Oats are loaded with important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant plant compounds. Bananas contain a fair amount of carbs, water, fiber, and antioxidants but little protein and no fat. Bananas are rich in soluble fiber. During digestion, soluble fiber dissolves in liquid to form a gel. This may also contribute to a banana sponge-like texture. Trusted source. Are bananas okay with diabetes? Though bananas are higher in carbs and sugars than some foods, they also contain fiber and resistant starch that slows down the digestion and release of sugar into your bloodstream. These qualities make bananas a healthy, go-to snack for people with diabetes. How many bananas a day should you eat? While there's no strict rule, it's best not to eat more than 1 or 2 bananas a day. Eating more could lead to weight gain, as they contain both carbohydrates and sugar. Ensure you're eating a balanced diet by including a range of fresh fruits and vegetables. Is a banana a good carb? They are a quality and processed carbohydrate source to be consumed alongside a protein, a vegetable and a fat source to make a balanced meal. Here are some great ideas. Eat ripe bananas before, during or after a workout for a quick sugar boost to aid recovery. By the way, if you are looking for healthy low-carbohydrate recipes, welcome to check out my healthy recipe playlist where there are 388 recipes waiting for you, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.